we're increasingly doing dual listings or single video at least for milk jugs and sugar basins. I think these two deserve to stay together, so I think we're going to sell them as a set. This is Shelley bone china, wildflower pattern. 13686 is the Shelley pattern reference, as you can see in the decorator's marks below the printed wildflower Shelley green banner mark. Half pint milk jug, beautifully decorated, gilt decoration that's been put on by the decorator, really fine, picking out the base plate of the little handle that comes up elevated above the rim. Lovely condition, bright bone china, bright gilt, bright clean glaze, no condition warnings whatsoever on that milk jug. An absolute thing of beauty with a little look at the scroll detailing around the rims, and that's picked up on this gorgeous sugar basin. Just look at that, wonderfully decorated with the wildflower blockwork inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks of transfer design on the inner wall, and on the outer wall 1, 2, 3, 4, so 2 large and 2 small blocks. Again, matching Shelley green banner marks with wildflowers and the decorators 13686 for the pattern reference. All the measurements will be on the website for both the sugar basin and the milk jug. They're both in excellent mint condition, really. Absolutely beautiful examples of Shelley bone china from the 1940s and 1950s. The decoration on wildflowers and the moulding on the Shelley porcelain is exemplary. Really couldn't recommend these enough to the buyers. Link in the description from YouTube if you found this video rather than the website first. Will take you through to the website listing where these two are going for sale as a pair. Do have a look for the trios of teacups we've got, and the absolutely spectacular square cake serving plate in the same design that's also going online this afternoon. Thanks for watching.